Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Arooj from Riyas. Today I am going to find the volume of a spherical bulb by finding its diameter. For this experiment we need Vernier caliper and spherical bulb. This is our Vernier caliper and this is our spherical bulb. This is our Vernier caliper. It have two scales. This is our main scale and this is our Vernier scale. It is movable. It can move. So this is our external jaws and this is our internal jaws. External jaws we are using for measuring external diameter and internal jaws we are using for measuring the internal diameter. This scale we are using for measuring the depth. Now we have to find the least count of this Vernier caliper. We know that our main scale division are 1 whereas our Vernier scale division are 10. We have to divide one division of our main scale with 10 division of our Vernier scale. By dividing this we will get 0.1 millimeter of our least count and we can convert it into centimeter, then our least count will be 0.01 centimeter. Now we have to fix this bulb in this to find its diameter. Now we have to check the Vernier scale division which is perfectly coinciding the main scale reading. So here we can see our 7th division is perfectly coinciding. So we will take 0.7 as our Vernier scale reading. Coincide. We want to know how coincide is happening. Here we can see these lines are aligned with this main scale reading. These are perfectly aligned with this. This is known as coincide. When these will meet perfectly, their ends are meeting perfectly means this is coincide. By diagram we can understand this perfectly. This is our main scale. Suppose these are our divisions. So this is our Vernier scale. See, these divisions are perfectly aligning with each other. Perfectly aligning with each other. This is how coincide is happening. How to get the main scale reading? When we will place any workpiece in between these jaws, we will get some readings. We have to check first division of our Vernier scale, that is 0. We have to check whether it is crossing any line or not. Now we can see this 0 is just above the 1. We can take this reading. If it's not perfectly aligned, then we can take 1 less than this. We have taken our main scale reading is 1.8 and Vernier scale reading is 0.7. Now we have to multiply this least count with our Vernier scale reading. So we will multiply 0.01 centimeter into 0.7. So our observed diameter will be equal to main scale reading plus Vernier scale reading into least count. So we will do it. We have to take 2 or 3 observations as number of observation determines the accurate value. Now again we will measure the diameter. Here again we will take 1.9 as our main scale reading. Now we will check which Vernier scale reading is perfectly coinciding the main scale reading. Here we can see the same again. Our 8th reading of Vernier scale is coinciding the main scale reading, so we will take 0.8. Now again, like before, we will multiply least count with our Vernier scale division. We will take it as 0.8. So our observed diameter will be main scale reading plus Vernier scale reading into least count. So we have found our these reading Vernier scale into least count 1.9 plus 0.8. Now we have to find the mean diameter. We will add all the observation and divide with the number of observations. So our first diameter is 2.5 plus 2.7 plus 2.7 divided by 3. So our diameter is 2.6 centimeter. Now we will find the volume of bulb. We know the formula for finding the volume, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we will put the values here. In these we have radius, so we know how to find the radius. So our radius will be equal to diameter by 2. Our diameter is 2.6 divided by 2 equals to 1.3 is our radius. So now we will put pi value, we know 22/7 into 1.3 whole cube. This all will be equal to 9.20 centimeter ka cube. So we have to convert it into meter. So it will be 9.20 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So this is our volume. Result: volume of spherical bob is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Volume is 9.20 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter cube. So this was my experiment. Here I conclude. Thank you. Have a nice day.